Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off non-lock in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So very easy. First click on start, now scroll down. After click on Windows ease of access, now click on screen keyboard. After click on options, and here also turn on numeric keypad, so check this box. And if you want to turn off or disable, so uncheck this box. That is after click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on or off none keyboard in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.